Good morning, my name is Miguel Bonilla and I am a teacher at Mount Carmel High School. The purpose of this video is to show you how you, as a parent or guardian, can access your child's grades through the internet. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser. In this case, I use Google Chrome. You go to the top tab and you will type the following information: SID Belize.com. Once you have typed it, press enter. Once there, you go to where it says member login and you will be redirected to this portal. You will notice that there is two fields to fill out: the username and the password. The username consists of the child's identification number underscore the child's surname. So let me demonstrate what I mean. I am interested in a child. His name is David Bonilla. I'm going to enter his information. His information is the following: then I'm gonna write underscore his surname, and whatever I write here, I need to write as a password. Once you do that, you're able to enter. You can obtain this number from the homeroom teacher for your child. You press enter and it will allow you to enter the child's account. Then you click on gradebook. On the right side, you're able to see all the child's grades and the subject for those grades. If you are interested in any specific subject, you can just click on it. For example, in this case, I click on Spanish and the grades for Spanish pop up. In this case, we have missing work marked by an M for this particular work. So this is how you would check your child's grades. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a blessed day.